What's up, guys? Happy Saturday to you. This is Everything Sharp channel. This is a real quick pocket dump. Today in the pocket we got the Benchmade Prosper. Love this little fixed blade. We got carbon fiber, we got liners, we got S90V. This is a first production run. Does have a half stop. We carry that in a Beaver Creek pocket slip. Fits nicely in there. And then primary, we got a Hinder Bowie XM18 Battle Worn Blue S45VN liner lock, good action, verse flick. Flashlight today, we got the Nitecore MT1, excellent flashlight, good hot spot, good brightness for the money. See what else I got in my pocket. Travax wallet, Samsung Classic 6 watch. That's my EDC for today. What's your guys' EDC? Have a great one.